In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record partial payment for an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This is really helpful when a customer doesn't pay the full amount of an invoice all at once, but you still want your records to stay accurate and up to date. Let's walk through this together from inside QuickBooks Online. Start on your main dashboard. At the very top left of the screen, you'll see the plus sign labeled New. This is where you create almost any type of transaction in QuickBooks. Go ahead and click that New button to get started. From the menu that opens, look for the column labeled Customers. Under that column, choose Receive Payment. This tells QuickBooks that you're recording money coming in from a customer, specifically to pay off one or more invoices. On the Receive Payment screen, the first thing you'll need to do is select the correct customer. At the top, you'll see a customer drop-down menu. Click that drop-down and choose the customer who made the partial payment. Once you select the customer, QuickBooks will automatically show you a list of their open or outstanding invoices. In the section called Outstanding Transactions, find the specific invoice that the customer is paying toward. There may be multiple invoices listed, so double-check the invoice number and the amount. When you've found the right one, click the box next to that invoice to select it. Now, in the payment column next to that invoice, enter the amount the customer actually paid, not the full invoice total. This is really important. By entering only the partial amount, QuickBooks will keep track of the remaining balance on that invoice so you can record additional payments later. Next, fill in the other key details for this payment. Set the correct payment date so your reports and aging summaries are accurate. Choose the payment method such as cash, check, bank transfer, or credit card, depending on how the customer paid you. Then, select the deposit account, which is usually your checking account or another bank account where the money is actually going. Take a quick moment to review everything: the customer name, the invoice selected, the partial payment amount, the date, the payment method, and the deposit account. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. That's all you need to do. You've now successfully recorded a partial payment for an invoice in QuickBooks Online, and the remaining balance will stay open until the customer pays the rest.